Well, hopefully I've got the microphone turned up enough, but we are working on the header panel today. I'm not going to do a full video. I'm just showing you guys what we've got. This has been a process. I don't necessarily know that I would have wanted to show it, but it is working out. I've got a little bit of a portion here I got to fix up. And we've got the other side over there done as well. I got to do a little bit more shaping of this metal along this edge, but if you look down like that, it looks pretty straight. So we're going to be filling in all the holes. That was all the holes you see up here represents a spot weld. So they spot welded the hell out of this piece when it was at the factory, and we've got to fill all those in. So shouldn't be too big of an issue. We're going to have to, because I don't think this is weld through primer. I just realized that. So I'm going to take all this out and then clean up the metal, get the metal prepped, and then get it put back in. So we've got the outer piece here. The inner piece is laying in the cab, and that's all cut out as well. I guess I'll show you guys that real quick. But I've got that all cut out as well. You can see there, I'm gonna spray all of that stuff with that rust encapsulator. I wanted to get everything fitted before I went and did that. And then I'm probably gonna spray it after I get this piece at least tack welded in place. We don't have to finish weld it. We just need to get it tacked in like the corners and maybe the center, and that will allow us to get the other piece, the inner portion of the header panel, in place as well. I did go ahead and punch holes on it because this piece does not come with holes. So you have to put these holes at the bottom here, which I've got a punch for that. That was not an issue whatsoever. Just kind of use your punch and punch them in. And then that'll be it. We'll get this all done up, and I'll be happy and no issues. So yeah, there's a little bit more work I'm going to do. The passenger side does not have the provision for a rearview mirror, not rearview mirror, but you know, the vanity mirror. So it's got the hole over there, and so it's got a hole on both sides. So I need to take that out. I think I'm going to use the factory metal. I'm going to cut around where that piece would be, and then I'm going to put it in. That way we get the profile, the curvature, and I don't have to worry about trying to shape the metal. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for today.